Here comes the next lecture. Why do we need testing? Before getting into the topic, I would like to narrate you an incident that happened before few years when I was working for a reputed bank. This incident is regarding a defect leakage. There was a module which went untested to production and there was a critical bug in it. Before I would explain the bug, I want to know everybody is aware of a credit card functionality. What is a credit card? Credit card is nothing but you swipe first and then pay later. That's all. So this bug is on the credit card payment module. Whenever a customer is making a payment, the system is posting double entries for a single payment. For example, if you're paying rupees 500, the system is posting double entries for 500. So technically, if you're paying amount 500, the system is taking the credit for rupees 1000. This is a huge loss to the bank. Testing is really important to prevent these losses. Testing will not only prevent monetary loss, but also it will prevent human loss in many other domains. For example, if you take healthcare domain, when a healthcare product is went to live untested, it may cause a human loss. Testing is really important to prevent these losses. Next one is happy customer. Testing is really important to earn a customer's reliability and satisfaction on the application. This will be ensured because while testing, we do different types of testing. We do performance testing, we do usability testing. In usability testing, for example, we replicate the day-to-day activities of a user so that we know what all the hiccups we have in the application. So if we eradicate all these things, whenever the customer is using the application in live, it will be a smooth and error-free application and it will earn a happy customer. Whatever you invest in testing, at the end of the day you will earn new customers and you will always earn the customer's satisfaction and reliability on your product. Matching requirement. We already discussed a lot about requirements and requirement matching. Testing is really important not only to match the requirement but also to identify if there is a gap. For example, I need a round box. You give me a square box. So in order to identify the gap between what I need and what you deliver, testing is really important. These are the three main reasons why testing is really important now, and every organization now invests a lot in testing, which is equal to development.